Hey guys, this is Krati from Crandall University, and we are excited to meet you guys in the Canam upcoming event. We will be definitely there to help you out, the students, for the undergrads and grads, those who are looking for our latest intakes, which is May 24 and September 24. And I'm very excited to meet you all. And Crandall University is full of, diversifying campus and is a multinationality students you're gonna see over there. And it is very helpful for the student to grow well, to learn well, and basically it's a great gel with the other students and community people, that how you can be adjusted into the world, because that's how it is for the world class education plus the world class exposure. You are going to get it every day. And Crandall and Canam, the name is similar, and we have a very good and long bond with the Canam consultancies. We have the Pan India reach with the Canam team, and of course, out of India, they are organizing any event, they always invite, and we are getting the good quality students across the nation through Canam team. So I'm wishing you all the best. Please visit. And our desk number, that is the Crandall desk number, is 73. So do log in, and see you guys soon. Thank you.